Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito, enriching your table with the power of umami. Today, I'll show you how to make onigiri. Onigiri is now popular all over the world. You can find it in Japanese convenience stores and even in specialty onigiri shops. Today, I'll guide you step by step to make truly delicious onigiri with a flavorful katsuobushi filling. First, pour a little soy sauce over the katsuobushi and mix it lightly. Wet your hands with water. This prevents the rice from sticking to your hands. Next, rub a little salt onto your palms. This gives the onigiri a light seasoning all over and makes it delicious. Take some rice in your hands. Make a small hollow in the center and place the seasoned katsuobushi inside. Then gently wrap the rice around the filling with both hands. Here's Dr. Bonito's pro tip. Bend the top hand at about a 90-degree angle and use the bottom hand to support the rice. Rotate it a few times while shaping it into a triangle. Wrap it with nori, and it's ready to serve. Katsuobushi onigiri is more than just rice and bonito flakes. For many Japanese people, it's a taste we grow up with, something simple, familiar, and quietly reassuring. It doesn't try to impress, it just comforts. I hope you will try this recipe and have a flavorful day.